Hey girlfriends, it's Curls Galore. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Naturalicious 3-in-1 line. It is supposed to make your wash and go super fast. And I know you guys always ask me like, how long does it take me to do my wash and go? It usually takes like all day. So the fact that this product says that they are able to, do a wash and go in 30 minutes, I'm not so sure it's gonna work on my hair because y'all know my hair is kind of long and super thick, but we'll see. It's a 3-step process. It comes with step 1. It's the Moroccan 5-in-1 clay treatment. It's a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner, like all in one. And it is for tight curls, girls with 3C to 4A, 4B hair. Once you order their products, you actually have to take a test to see what type of hair that you have. Apparently I have like 4A type hair, so they recommended that I get this line because they have different lines for different types of hair. So this is the step 1. I'm really excited to use this one. It's a clay treatment, which you guys know I love clay treatments. I'm always doing my apple cider vinegar, and so the fact that this is a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner, okay, I gotta see what this is about. So they also brought in step 2, which is the Moisture Infusion Styling Creme. It's a moisturizer, a styling cream, and it's also a heat protectant. But of course, I'm not gonna be putting heat on my hair. I'm actually gonna use this for the kind of like hair milk cream I'm gonna use for my wash and go. So we'll see how this goes. And finally, step 3 is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. It's a hot oil treatment. It's a frizz fighter. It's supposed to lock in the moisture from step 2 and the minerals that you get from step 1. So we'll see. And actually, as you can probably already see, I've already used this. When I had my twist in my hair, this was so good to help my twist stay moisturized. It left some super juicy, my scalp was itching a little bit, so I kind of put this on my scalp too. And y'all, it is the bee's knees. So I can already tell you this step 3 works in general. I can't tell you about step 1 and step 2 yet, but I already know step 3 definitely works. It has almond oil, olive oil, and sunflower oil in it. So if you are looking for a good oil to use, this is a good one, but we'll see how it works with this 3-step system. So let's get started. I'm applying the clay to wet hair and putting it on my hair in small sections to make sure I coat every strand and get it in my roots. As you can see, it doesn't produce suds, which might make you think it's not cleaning your hair, but it really is. This is Rhassoul clay, which is super hydrating. When I rinsed the product out of my hair, it was super clean and super soft. It felt like I had just put a deep conditioner on my hair and let it sit for a long time before rinsing it out. It was literally that soft. My hair has never felt like that after applying shampoo. It's usually hard and tangled, which is why I always go in after with a conditioner. With this line, they put the shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner in one bottle, so you can save so much time. They also definitely didn't lie about it being a great detangler either. Look how the comb is just sliding through my hair. That's crazy, y'all. Crazy. Now I'm going to apply step 2, the Moisture Infusion Styling Creme. Originally, I was going to do a wash and go, but once I saw that the cream had great slip and was making my hair super moisturized, I thought this is the recipe for a great braid out. So I decided to do that one instead. This product claims that it will only take 30 minutes to do your wash day routine. And y'all, I'm a witness. It literally only took me 10 minutes to apply the clay and 13 minutes to rinse it out. This is record time for me because it usually takes an hour and a half because I have to wash my hair, rinse out the shampoo, apply the deep conditioner, sit on the dryer for 10 minutes, and then rinse out the deep conditioner and finally style my hair. This cut out all that extraness because the clay cleanses and conditions your hair. I literally am in love with this product. It took me about 30 minutes to braid my hair. I slept in the braids overnight and used step 3, the Divine Shine Lock and Frizz Fighter, as a finishing oil to reduce frizz as I was unraveling the braids. You can use the oil right after applying step 2, but I decided to wait because I like to apply oils to my hair during the takedown process whenever I'm doing a braid out or a twist out. Step 3 left my hair super shiny and definitely reduced the frizz that I usually get when I do a braid out. But like I told y'all earlier, I already knew this step was a gem because I had already used it. Naturalicious 3-step system really works. I can testify. It definitely took me less than 30 minutes to wash my hair, and the entire process, including the braids, only took 45 minutes. This is crazy considering it usually takes me all day to do my hair. So I would definitely recommend this product, especially for my lazy naturals. I mean, look at this braid out, y'all. It's super voluminous, it's super shiny, and it's definitely moisturized. And I'm definitely adding it to the list of my favorite products. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.